ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lamang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So whenever you find the video, the message is meant to find you. Tingnan natin ang mga nangyayari sa paligid. Your first card is the Chariot, followed by the Three of Swords. So, parang nasasaktan tayo, no? Sa nalalapit na pag-alis nitong taong ito. Or nasasaktan tayo dahil parang feeling natin iiwan na tayo. Wala pa naman yung cards. One thing is for sure, the emotion here feels like I am hurting because I am going to have a distance with my person. Whether this is distant, like literally a distant, the person might gonna be somewhere, no? Na medyo malayo sa atin. So, it can be another province, and you are on a city, or you might be in a rural area and the person's gonna be in the city, or vice versa, no? Or it can be abroad, no? Or it can also be that you're feeling that your person might gonna go away and leave you behind. It might be for temporarily, or it might be for good. The bottom line here is you're hurting. Kasi may paglayo, no? The Hierophant. Ooh. Now, with that being said, I feel like gusto siguro natin na magkaroon ng linaw bago umalis itong person ito. Are you going to return? Magkakaroon ba tayo ng, sabihin natin, agreement sa pag-alis na ito? Meron ba akong aasahan sa pagbabalik? Hanggang kailan? Ano? So, you want certainty that this person's going to return into your life. Or bago tayo sana magkaroon ng hiwalayan, or bago tayo magkaroon ng separation, physical man yan or energetic, meron tayong nagkasundo tayo, no? Gusto mo yung nangyari, gusto ko yung nangyari. It's hindi yung one-way street, no? Hindi yung isa lang ang may gusto sa atin. Now, with the Six of Wands, so everything started real good. Everything started like things are okay. Everything started like, parang sabihin natin halos walang issue, walang problema. Parang naging too good to be true. I don't know what happened. Bakit nagkaroon ng ganito? Again, it might be that someone's going to work abroad. The Knight of Hazards and the Page of Swords. I think that the person signed up a contract with, I think that this is more of an employment kind of thing. Kasi the Knight of Hazards medyo meron ditong gustong magkaroon ng elevations, no? When it comes to their status. It might be financial, social, but then again, I need to level up the game. My game. I need to have, an ample amount of income, an ample amount of, sabihin nating mga, an ample amount of things that needs to, so that I can buy my desire, no? So, elevations nga. Kasi parang feeling ito stagnant ang kanyang situation. Now, the Moon card. I think that yung naiwan dito is having like this parang sleepless nights, no? Kasi parang hindi clear ang naging usapan. So, the person went out, the person left without the certainty of returning. Parang ganon. Or if meron man, siguro iniisip nitong naiwan, totoo kaya ito? Totoo ba yung sinasabi niya? Am I holding on to the words itself? Or baka meron pang pwedeng parang sabihin natin meron akong grit, no? Dito sa pagbabalik niya. Hopefully, meron pa. Now, with the temperance, nakita naman natin na babalik. May attempt, no? When we say attempt, meron itong sign of I am gonna try, no? I'm trying. I am going to try to come back, to return. The Six of Hazards and the Ten of Swords. But it might not going to be the same as before. Ngayon, nakakakaba. Kasi yung pagbabalik niya, parang magbabago yung dynamic. And hopefully, wala pa naman lahat ng cards, so huwag kayong kabahan. Dahil parang pagbalik niya, we were going to end the that chapter, no? Na meron tayo. So parang ang gagawin nito is magbabalik ako, pero antayin mo yung pagbabalik ko kasi magbabago ang ating samahan. Okay. With a Page of Wands, so it's either continue yung communication, it might not gonna be frequent, pero somewhat magkakaroon pa rin dito ng sabihin natin information itong kabila, knowing what's happening in your life, ganun din naman ikaw sa kanya. So, hindi lang constant ang communication, pero meron pa rin somewhat bridge, no? Between you and them. The Four Cups, ang nakakatakot lang dito is baka magkasawaan, baka meron ditong hindi masanay, no? Sa LDR, probably yung person na naiwan, hindi sanay sa LDR, separation anxieties are kicking in, may fear dito na baka makahanap ka ng iba. So, the Empress, parang sinabi mo dito, sana bago ka umalis, meron kang remembrance sa akin, and that remembrance is a child, para at least meron akong hold, no, sa ating relationship. Some other people think that way, some other might not, pero karamihan sana, parang kumbaga collateral ba, nababalikan mo ako. And for those who have na meron ng anak at umalis itong person, the Star and the Magician, sabihin natin ang magiging way nito is yung bata. No? Kung wala kayong anak, it's more of the promise. Kasi the Star is there. And I am seeing na pagbalik niya, baka gumawa na rin kayo, no, ng anak. So, the Two of Wands. I feel like sandali lang naman itong promise niya. So, huwag kang matakot. Kahit ako natakot. Dahil, yun nga, one of my question is makakahanap ba siya doon ng iba? Pero I feel like, hindi naman niya totally, no, gustong-gustong umalis. But needed. Kasi nga, ay mahirap sa bansa na ito. Kailangan kong let's face the fact, no? Marami sigurong Pilipino na hindi aalis kung maganda lang yung opportunity. I mean, that's given. Wala tayong sinisisi, okay? Don't come for me. Hindi ito political. Hindi ito political or government issue. Reading. But that's the reality of what's happening in the Philippines. I think it has been embedded in our, in our blood to suffer. But either way, babalik naman ito, no, with the Two of Wands. I feel like sandali lang, mag-iipon lang siya talaga. And I feel like pananagutan or paninindigan naman niya yung mga promises niya. So this is your reading. Now let's check the zodiac sign of the person. Now, bago yan, kung kayo nakaka-resonate sa reading na ito, let me know sa comment section. And kung meron po kayong mga tanong sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? So let's check the zodiac sign of the person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Leo, Aquarius, Taurus, Cancer, Sagittarius, Virgo, Pisces, Capricorn, and Leo. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.